Hello again everyone. So quickly that I've made another video. But I wanted to do a video on this today. The Yumetwins, I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't even know. But yeah, I kept seeing this advertised everywhere on all of my social media. Sorry, I'm going to move a little bit because I'm not in the centre. So yeah, I was seeing this like everywhere on all my social media. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to go for it because this is Pokemon themed. They've sent me one of these boxes before. It wasn't the worst, it wasn't the best. This was quite expensive. This was like £25 or something. So we're going to see how it goes. As I say, I think the theme was Pokemon Parade or something like that. Pokemon Holiday Parade or something, I don't know. But anyway, let's see how it goes because I have a feeling I might be disappointed. If I'm not disappointed, I will be happy. Well, that's... Sorry, I make fuck all sense sometimes. I haven't even opened that properly. Oh my god. Okay, let's open it up and have a look. Okay. So I'm liking this so far because this has evolutions on it. And it's got Pikachu and all that stuff, but I'm not going to look at that yet. Put that there. Okay. Reward catalogue. So you get a luggage tag, which is pretty cool. There's not much in here, to be honest. You get a luggage tag, which is cool. There's a few options. Snorlax is okay. I think there was an Eevee one that would have been better, but Snorlax is pretty cool. It's quite a heavy duty thing. Like official stuff as well. So that's pretty good. I'm going to Belfast in January and February, so I will put that on my luggage. Okay, so we also have some Pikachu stickers, which are adorable. I do like those quite a bit. They're very cute. We have something My Melody related. We have some little post-it note things, which are pretty nice. I mean, I like My Melody. I like those. We have this, which is a plush. Yeah. Not very impressed with that. Oh, ooh, okay, I do like that. Okay, so there's not much in here at all. I've dropped one of the things. This is okay, this is pretty cool. This is a Pikachu food mold. It's very strange, but yeah, I might ripped it. This is very strange. Only in Japan would you find this, but yeah, it's basically a Pikachu food mold, so you can make like jelly or I don't know, like whatever you want food-wise. You could make a giant Pikachu ice cube. It would fit in nothing, but you can make a giant Pikachu ice cube. And then you get like these things, which I don't know what you would do with them, but Pikachu. That's pretty cool. And then I'll pick up the thing that I dropped. Where did I drop it? It's here. Okay. So, this is the other thing that we get. Twinkle Dolly Pokemon by Bandai. This is probably where the money is, I'm guessing. Because the other things, not great. This is Flareon on a gem kind of thing. It's like a little thing. You could have got, look at the ones you could have got. You can get Pikachu, you can get Eevee, you can get Jolteon, and you can get Vaporeon. In all honesty, I would have loved the Eevee one. Look at the Eevee. Just that Eevee is beautiful. Although Flareon's okay. I do like Flareon. You get a little one of these. You get these in like everything in Japan, like the little sweet things. And oh, this is actually quite nicely made, I think. Oh, that is really cute. So it's like, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it at all. focus. So there you go. You've got Flareon on a gem, but inside the gem there's like a fire. I do like that. That's really nice. I do. This is the best thing in the box for me. So yeah, I do really like that. That's gonna go on my tags at work. The only thing I have against this is the fact that, like, if you saw the adverts for this box, they were showing you like plushes, like big plushes. They were showing you like Pikachu mugs. They were showing you so much stuff that is gonna be in this box, but none of it was in the box. It was like, this is like a poor man's, you know, version of that. Like, there's not that much good Pokemon stuff in here, to be honest, when this is the best thing for like 25 quid. Yeah, as I said, they sent me a box before and I thought it was decent, it was okay. This, you know, this is not too great. I mean, this is probably worth a $5, something like that maybe. I know that stuff in Japan is quite expensive, but this, to me, is not worth it. Let's have a look at the... Where is the thing? Where's the thing? Oh, I put it here, because I'm stupid. So yeah, here's the thing. So here's what you could have got. Yeah, look, there was like 4 different ones that you could have got, and I would have preferred any of them other than Snorlax. Like the Mimikyu's cute, the Eevee one I would have absolutely loved, because, you know, I love Eevee. You can get a Pikachu, well, you do get a Pikachu food mold, a Pokemon keyring, obviously, palm-sized animal plushie. That's not Pokemon themed. Pokemon and Sanrio stickers. I didn't get any Sanrio stickers. I just got Pokemon. I mean, I'm glad that I got the Pokemon. If it was an option between the two. Okay, I think you might have... Oh no, there's 4 different characters you can get. There's 4 different characters you can get, but let's show you 5 different characters on the actual picture. And then the Sanrio sticky notes. So here's what you can do with your food mold. Oh my goodness, what the hell am I doing? Yeah, then there's just like photos of people with their things. I do like this. The magazine itself is really cute. I mean, look at that. That is really adorable. The Eevee on there is the cutest thing I think I've ever seen. But yeah, there you go. That is the Yumi box for December, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you all again very soon. Adios.